directigniter.com. I've got a really cool new product to show you guys. It's our new Dream Whips and Bluetooth rock light combo. Our set includes the quick release bases that are very easy to pull on and off and to reattach. You also get the 2 whips, you get the 4 rock lights, you get the 4 mounting hardware for your 4 rock lights, you get 2 mounting hardware for your American flags that are also included, a standard remote, and the app to control the whips with.